by Ian Eldridge of Duxbury, Massachusetts.
Is your son playing baseball, Cindy?
Soccer.
Soccer. I just see that hat.
I know, I just gave them money, so they gave me a hat. And I tried to remind the other teams of that. I said, see what I got from the baseball team? I ain't got anything from the basketball team, or the soccer team, the football team. Baseball team gave me a plaque and a hat. Tactical ride. She does ride this horse well.
Is this little old pony that was down there with us?
Yeah, yeah. Kind of interesting she allowed him to cross canter through that.
There's camo on. Camo.
Oh, Culbertson up on you. Hello.